Clay has just been an incredible resource for me in my life. It's been an inexhaustible source of creativity, and so NCECA celebrates that.
I always feel so appreciative of being a part of NCECA, being able to get the platforms that I'm getting, the new friends that I'm making, and the opportunity to share my work.
And I love NCECA for being a place that crosses over all of the intersecting lines of educational opportunities, the young and the old, the mentors, the mentees, in a sort of democratic space of engagement where we can all learn and celebrate our love of clay and our love of learning and helping each other achieve success in this world.
I am at NCECA now for the first time as a multicultural fellow. I really appreciate the support NCECA has offered. I met Mr. Robert Lugo. He took time to listen to our stories and exchange generosity and kindness, and it just shook me to the core.
NCECA is very, very special to me. When I think of the special moments, one was today when I gave a presentation. All the young ceramicists in the audience who stood up and said that it was my shoulders that they were standing on, and that even though you touch people in your life as an artist, as a professor, you never really know how much and how deeply. And for them to speak up today and tell me that I've been their heroine was just so touching. It brought me to tears.
My first NCECA was in 1975. At that NCECA, I remember James Tanner because he was the president of NCECA, which was a phenomenal thing and really inspired me.
The most beautiful thing about NCECA is how it does not have a sense of scarcity. It's always bringing more and more people into NCECA. The organization has expanded and grown and embraced.
One of the most rewarding moments of the conference, seeing people move through the space, experiencing these things that you've thought a lot about and that you hope people will connect with each other and also connect with the experience.
I want everybody to come to NCECA so that they'll, get this inspiration to continue their creative life. So please come to NCECA. It's a great place.